To Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We are trying to do a aiming board for Honda cars. If you want to do a, okay, I don't know if this is the same. Yeah, let's go here. Let's make it darker here. Yeah, make it darker this place. The circle they can dark. Because we need to do the aiming for the mirror.
I did that a long time ago.
You remember we did one, right? Yeah. It's here somewhere.
Still somewhere.
It's here somewhere.
Maybe it's up there.
Where? We already did this one. You wanna go do a Nissan? Give me the other one. I'm gonna close the dots.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I remember it now. Like little white kid. كنا صغار نبلع وهيدا
هسه ده ما بتاع العيال في المدارس هسه شلنا حقهم. We took our stuff. Here. So انت ما تجر كتاب ولا اللي بيمشي نقاط بس؟
ما بيشتغل زي كتير كده.
ما شغل ده قلبه قوي سمع الكلام ده. We took it. عشان ده عربي ده نمشي نسويه. We have to do that, we have to close this. Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2019 on the Civic. We need to activate the camera aiming. Okay. What's gonna happen is turn the radio off, and when everything is on, you're gonna wait a little bit. Okay. Disclaimer, say okay. Now push this together. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna stop this and do it together. 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, simultaneously. Then you're gonna see detail information setting. Go here. Guide setting maybe. Rear wide camera. Return. Lane watch. You see here is not good. Okay. So put it. Put that.
انت منزل مرايك انت.
لا انا ما في الاجنيشن، انا في الاكسسوري بس. انزل 1 تحت 1 انشز رايت ولا؟
كده؟
هاي بس نشوف دقيقة. Okay, push lane here. It's okay. Ignition off. See? Yeah, you see?
It's good.
Return. Okay, turn the key off. Start the car. In order for you to go, okay, return here, return, set. Okay, now we're gonna do the signal.
That's it.
Yes, you see the lines, close it. Good. That's the nice one, yeah?
If you ever worn
No,
out
that's
feet.
okay. خلاص ده خلاص انتهى مش؟
It's good, it work?
Yeah, it work.
No, but you have to do for the
Work, okay. But this one is okay now. So this is how to do the aiming, yeah. Thank you very much. We did that one by ourselves. So it work now, thanks.